6. Initial requirements for buying a house property. Number 2. Proof of billing. Any of the following billing documents. Meralco bill or water bill. Tandaan na kailangan nakapangalan sa primary buyer at mayroong complete address ang billing document. Tanong, paano po kung umuupal lang kami at hindi naman po nakapangalan sa amin yung bill? Kailangan po nating kumuha ng mga sumusunod. Number 1, authorization letter mula sa house owner. Number 2, photocopy ng valid government-issued ID ng house owner at ng primary buyer o yung umuupa na gustong bumili ng bahay. Lagyan po natin ng 3 specimen signature bilang attachment sa ating authorization letter. That's it for proof of billing tip. Till next time, see you soon.